Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. I'm really happy to introduce to you my new logo that I've designed myself. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Today we're going to look at the Apple Watch Series 5. Let's get into the pros. It's got a new titanium edition and reintroducing the ceramic one. It's got an always-on display, compass, and international SOS where you can get help with their emergency services even if you don't have a SIM registered. It's bumped up the internal storage to 32 gigs. Let's get into the cons. The S5 chip in the Series 5 is identical to the S4 in the Series 4 chip, which really is disappointing for me. And another thing that really disappointed me in Apple was the battery. It's exactly the same, and everything else internally is the same except for the compass, edition of the compass and the 32 gigs, which I feel like is a bit gimmicky. I don't think I'll use the compass. Might be for those really select few that go hiking or something like that might use the compass. The 32 gigs, I had 16 on my Series 4. I barely used any. The always on display can be useful, and I've gotten really good feedback from people about it, but for me myself, I didn't really find it useful. When I was at the gym, for example, and doing a run, I had to actually lift my arm up to look at the watch to see where I'm at. So I was lifting it anyways, and at other things I've found the same thing. However, having said that, the always on display has been introduced in a lot of smartphones and watches out there, so Apple's really late in the game in that regards. There's still no third-party faces. Battery life is shorter for myself. On the first time I used it, it only lasted 5 hours. I don't know what it was doing because I didn't go for a jog, run, workout, anything. I didn't use it to make calls or text messages. I just put it on, went to a party, came back, and it was basically dead. Didn't even last me for the whole day. So that was really disappointing. And since then it's improved a little bit, but like it's nowhere near as good as the Series 4. The compass, as I said, is nice, but that's about it. Let's get to the verdict. Frankly, I'm not impressed at all. Very disappointed with Apple. The new features feel really gimmicky, and using the same battery and CPU feels lazy, something that Apple isn't known for. If you have a Series 4 watch, definitely stick with that. I would go as far as to say that even if you've got a Series 3 watch where the processor is really good, stick with that. Wait around another year and see what Apple has to offer. I hope they lift their game up. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.